miss me. I know you miss me.
Yeah, record that. They're on fucking YouTube.
That's the squad for today, the convoy. The plan for today, go to KICC, attend that event, Tunerfest. I think that's the plan for today.
I be for rapper cause I'm never with the sweet stuff. Shawty came from Mexico, she know she got the sweet stuff. Hey, niggas ain't gotta respect, niggas just gotta accept. I put that top left, I love my cruddy to death. Yo.
You running around drinking liquor, taking pictures cause you miss me. I know you miss me. And keep the love, just give me the loyalty. F.A.T. the King Tut, I treat you like royalty.
She called me a god the way I floated in her ocean. When I floated, I gave her a dose of, she was already hooked. If you always there.
How are you guys? We're good. Tuna Festival, bigger and better than Westgate edition.
Thank you, bro.
Yeah, welcome everyone.
Thank you, bro.
How are you?
How are you?
I did not expect you to be in this.
Thank you, bro.
This is madness.
Yuki! What's up, man?
Yo, I'm drifting in Bella in a bit.
Really?
I swear.
Good, bro. Good to see you.
Yeah.
In the vlog.
Are we in the vlog?
Yeah, bro.
Yo!
Yeah, let's go.
YouTube channel. Very awesome. Good job,
Thank you.
What's up, bro? Love your channel. We are so happy to hear.
It's good, bro. Rate the event 10 out of 10, bro.
It's a 9.5.
What's the missing?
What's missing? The 222 GTR.
That's all we need. That's all we need.
Yeah.
Alright.
Can I get a photo?
Yeah, sure, let's go.
It's okay.
Enjoy it, man. Thank you, bro. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Easy.
We go with this one now. Let's go with this one.
Alright, you're leaving.
Wagwan.
Tanuki,
I'll take a photo.
No stress.
Tanuki, Andrew is a
Yo,
GT.
Wagwan.
What's up, bro?
Yeah, for real.
Thank you, bro. Thank you, bro. Thank you. All right, bro.
Yeah, Google.
All right. Vlog plan has changed now. What we're gonna do is
What are you?
we just cruise. We just have a joyride, I guess. I think that was it for the
Express.
Yeah, I think we're gonna go to the expressway. We're just gonna have some fun. I think we've seen all we need to see.
Look at gari juu. Ile bato. Ay, alafu nigonge gari yangu. Acha na watu. See you, man. Thanks.
Now I'm seeing M's, diamonds like water and they coming out the gym. Shooting like hardness, cool with it. Now every move I make, I'm in the news with it. Even if I ain't do it, they be like, you did it. My teacher always used to tell me, you gon' lose, nigga. That's why I never went to school, nigga. Way of life, they make them fuck they best. I put it out, they come in.
Came up on fine brick, bought a rich meal, Magnum watch dog tickets. Drinking Louis V, made a movie and brought another film. It's a dime that I stand this lamp. See it, think I need to see a psychiatrist. Living in the streets in the gutter range, man.
Sexy car, man. Bro, this RSQ8 pulls, bro. It's the fastest SUV I've been in so far, man. The fact that it's stock, it's crazy.
I mean, this bitch your TP. My name is John Wall, hitting out trees like a leaf in a.
Oh, sorry. Oh, there he is, bro.
She wanna munch me like Tadaki. Stress free, but I ain't free yet. Face my fears in my chest, yeah. Backstreet boy, you know we want it that way. Then
Used to have no money for a crib, now my
make her take a sip of ace of spade like it's water. I've been on the mountain in them sands.
Benji metatisha boss.
This was I like that.
Oh, look at this guy. Yeah, record that, record that. They're on fucking YouTube. Utangucha simu wewe bwana. GR. Sasa. Kunayo. Sisi sasa we just yo bro, we drop too
But mama a thot, and she got ass, and she gon' fuck up a bag. Pull up to the spot, living too fast, dropping it up in the stash. In Italy, got too far, hoes they DM me. Draw at the top, when it's cold, but you feel the heat. Be real with me, keep it 100, just be real with me. Eat it up like it's a feast. They say the dope on fleek.
Just got back in the car. Wow, what a day. Thank you Tuner Fest or Shift Nation for organizing the event. That was crazy. Had some good cars. I had to leave early just a little bit, but I'm glad I could take a look. I think it's been a long day and we can call it a day. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know what you guys want to see in the future, and thank you for tuning in.
Hello. Hey. Ndio nimetoka.